one kind of question, I think it's kind of this, it applies to a lot of industries, but also ours is kind of the future of AI within civil engineering.
Future of AI.
And kind of how do you think AI will affect new graduates and like their ability to get jobs and how it will kind of affect our day-to-day life working and
I mean, I use AI every single day, like hours out of the day. All right. So I would say that you first need to start using it immediately and start adopting it into everything that you do. Whatever it is you think you're doing, AI can help you do it.
right.
So I literally talk to my AI. That's why they call it Chat GBT, right? So I talk to it and work out issues and things like that. I was like, man, I got to prep for this podcast. Help me prep for this podcast. No, I just kidding.
It's surprisingly useful.
Oh, I'm not surprised by it at all. You start with just a little bit and it is like your best friend. It is so great. How do I think it'll affect new college graduates? Well, I don't know. I mean, you still have to do the work and know the work. It's like I'm saying, you can't fake it. You can't fake it. I do think some of the, I think it's becoming easier to become a civil engineer, and that's
How
not.
come?
Well, when you're telling these stories about like already taking your 8 hour and stuff like that, I mean, I'm more in favor of raising the standards and making it more difficult.
Right.
And I don't think that that's the current trend line.
hmm
So I'm not sure I'm really giving you an answer about AI. I think that it's certainly going to help people write emails. It's going to help people communicate.
Do you think there's tasks that like we do like within our design or
Yeah, it could. I think it could possibly help. But I don't. You can never give up the power of the stamp when you say that this is what the calculation is and someone's checked it and there's a stamp there, then that's your work product. You have to stamp your work, and artists sign their work,
right?
engineers stamp their plans.
Right.
So you have to do it. And I don't think AI is going to take anything away from that. It might help you get some gut checks, some gut feelings, help you to learn a little bit more,
Right.
things like that. But I mean, technology is always going to improve. And if I had any advice to anyone, it would be to start adopting it as quickly as possible and get ready for it. Use it immediately.